In this video, we are making an epic history terrain map. This was requested in my Discord and was finally made possible by Cannon's Fire. Have a look at his channel if you love Napoleonic history.
So now we're gonna do the other map, battle map. You must take a picture, aerial picture from Google Map or Bing. I used Bing for my battle. I'm now gonna go and select erase tool, and now we're gonna go and select rivers for our map. Just like this, follow the path, and that's it. Now when you did this, it's really easy, just follow the river's path. You can also do this in every other software, not just Photoshop. When you did this, export this and export as PNG. And now we can move on to After Effects. So now we are in After Effects, make new composition and put this map inside your composition. You can fit the comp like this. So now we have the map, and now we need to color this river. You can do this very new, solid, exactly like last map, and put like this. And go behind, and that is our river. So now we want to shadow this river. How are we going to do that? Go to this, go to Effects and Presets panel, and type again drop shadow. Now select to 0 and softness to something like this, just like this. Now, how can you change the terrain? First, we're gonna go and select our texture that I found on Google, just like this, and go and select a pen tool. Select pen tool and make something like this. Mask. Go here, go to mask, mask 1, and select mask feather. Select when you feel like it's okay, so it don't show you the edge of the photo, just like this. And now we're gonna put it everywhere here. I'm gonna show you how to do that. A bit more smaller, just like this. Go and put it in every corner of the map. So that is our base color of the map. So when you're done with your base layer, now we're gonna make some hills. Go to pen tool right here and select stroke to black color. Don't select fill. And now we're gonna make hill like this. Select something like this, just like this, and go to Effects and Presets panel and type Gaussian blur. And now we can select this blurriness, and you can drag this arrow when you feel like it's okay for you. Maybe a bit more. Something like this. We can bring opacity down. So we made our hill. We can do this by copying to the other side, because this map has two hills. Just like this. And it looks like a real hill. So now we're gonna make some forest. You can download from Google aerial environment forest landscape, and you can select this, and again like previous layer, we're gonna select pen tool and select the area we want to put on our map, and again go to here to masks and go to mask and feather again, and we're gonna feather this mask. You can scale it down just like this and put it here on this hill. You can make more layers just as you like. You can do this. That's it for this hill. We can again select this and copy and paste and put it exactly the same on this part. And that's it for our hills. Now we can make villages even. Go select pen tool. I do it like this. Go gray fill and shape your village. don't select stroke, go and put opacity to something like this. Now we're gonna put Gaussian blur, go to effects and presets, put Gaussian blur, and put opacity to 70%. Like this. And now how to make houses. Go on pen tool, go to fill, select the fill, and put color of the roof, something like brown on orange. Click OK. And now I'm gonna shape my buildings. Now where you're done with your houses, you can even put shadows so it looks more realistic. Put like this. That's it. You can now put another shadow. Go to distance 0 and put softness to something like this. It looks more realistic. So how can you make roads? It's easy as well. Go to pen tool. Go, don't select fill. Select stroke. Again, we can select something like this color. And make your road. Of course, put your Gaussian blur again. And we can put opacity something like this. Just like this. So that's our road. And now we're gonna put some fields here because it has fields. You can download this. Download from Google. You can put seamless photo of fields. That's what I put. And again, the same like everything. Go to pen tool. Select what you want. Go to masks. Go to mask. Feather again. And feather this mask. And now we can change the color. For this, go to levels. Go to green. And now we can play with this. We can match what we want for this. Like this, and put opacity to 50% or something like this. Okay. Now it's the same like base layer. Just everywhere you want to put this field. Just like this. I'm gonna do the whole map and I'm gonna show you the result. As you can see, I've done my map. I implemented everything that I showed you. I even put some bridges here, stone bridges. I finished my village, my lake. I even put some stone here. I'm gonna show you how to do this. Select this texture from Google, import here. You can type like mountain terrain texture. It will come up. Go here again, like everything that I showed you. Go to mask, mask feather, and go to opacity to 60%. And that's it. Put where you want to put. Like this. Just like this. It's really easy. And that's it. You just need to put some time into making this. And yeah, I hope I helped you. If you have any questions, leave comments down below.